we are at Shannonville, second race of the season. We've got a couple practice sessions here on the track on Friday afternoon. Everything looks good. We've got the whole crew here. A lot of the guys brought their wives, their kids, their families. It's going to be a great family weekend, and we're ready for a great weekend of racing.
Race is estimated 3 o'clock, but like last time.
So it's Saturday morning. We're getting ready for race day. Everybody's up. You can see the kids are all right in there with the car as well. It looks like an overcast day, but we should end up with a great day. We got practice this morning, qualifying, and then race at around 4 o'clock. Practice, qualified well, too well. We broke out of our class, so they put us to the back of the pack. We have 11 cars to catch, and with all our fans here and all our help with the crew, I'm sure we're going to do our best to catch those 11 cars. It's Saturday. We just finished our first race here. I believe we got first in our class GT2. We only knocked one guy off the track, made a new friend named Mark. I got to fix his Porsche actually next week. And other than that, it was a great race. One of the Mustangs and I had a great run all the way through. There was a Mazda in our class that was really pushing hard. Good group of guys, and it was a great race. I'd also like to introduce you to my buddy Ethan here as part of our pit crew as well today. So Saturday's been a great day. We're ready for tomorrow. Thanks. Nice job.